Let's make this orchid today. Here's a bunch I made before. Now teach you how to make this little flower. We're going to use a stick here. You can use a pen or something else. Follow my method. After wrapping all the twisting sticks, we push tightly with both hands. Pinch it tightly for a while. Pinch it tight and take it out. And you walk through the middle like a stick. This rod at both ends. The one at the bottom is screwed together. There are just 5 whole rings on it. We cut off the extra stick. Just leave one at the bottom. Now watch me operate. Spread it out. Uniform distribution. Be careful when adjusting this step. Then slowly put 5 petals to pinch it together. You can see my technique in the video. And then we turn it around twice. Turn the petals to a flat surface. You see, it's getting better now. The rest is the same operation. So it forms a little flower. Now adjust the shape of this little flower. Adjust the lower spacing. Adjust the radian. Look at this little flower and it's done. Let me just show you. I'm just going to let it go. The practice is exactly the same. The shapes are all adjusted. And then I clipped it a little bit with a splint. Give it a little embellishment here. Gave it a little dark blue in the middle. Then if some friends have pearls, you can stick a pearl in the middle. It looks better too. Now let's make this little white ball. I'm using a very thin stick here. And just pinch it, pinch it. Then go through the middle. Spread it out and pinch it. There is a hole in the middle. Make it rounder. This little ball is ready. Next, make leaves. The leaves are the same as before. Blue star flower is simple. I just need to make more to look good.